This man and the dog had not seen each other for more than 2 years, and this was the first time they had seen each other. The dog was very happy to see the owner who had been with him since childhood. This girl had only been away for more than a week, but it seemed to them that it was too long for them to be apart. They were both very happy to see each other again. A man, while swimming, saw a fish that was trapped for a long time. He saved it and released it back to its home. This was a very emotional moment when their cat had returned home after more than a week of being lost. She couldn't seem to believe it and cried because she was so excited. This is the moment the man saw his dog again, after they lost each other more than a month ago. He was very happy to see his pet dog again. This was the emotional moment when she finally found her dog after many days of being lost. This boy has never been away from his dog, and this is the first time. The first thing he did after returning home was hug his pet dog. Maybe he got lost and ran aground, so he couldn't return home. Fortunately, he was rescued by a man nearby. This is the moment when a mother duckling is leading 8 ducks across the road. These ducks show fear when their mother did not wait for them. This was the dog's very emotional moment when its owner died. This dog is lost and adopted by another family. This is the moment this dog is reunited with its former owner. After today, they will be reunited together. This is the moment the man met his pet dog again, after a very long search, and they were finally reunited. Finally reunited with my girl after 4 months apart. I was so nervous to see her again, and a bit terrified that she wouldn't recognize me. But the moment I saw her, I knew she missed me too. This horse was very sad when his master got sick. He also knew that he would have to leave his horse forever. The moment a boy met his beloved dog again after having been lost, he gave up hope of finding the dog after a long but fruitless search. What is the longest you've ever been away from your pet? Please write in the comment about how they welcome you. Do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to see the next video.